How to sign up for Disney Plus. Disney Plus is a premium streaming service that offers exclusive access to Disney, Pixar, Marvel, Star Wars, and National Geographic content. It features original series, blockbuster movies, and classic Disney films. Signing up for Disney Plus is quick and easy, allowing you to start streaming immediately. Follow these steps to create an account and subscribe to Disney Plus. 1. Visit the Disney Plus website or app. Go to the official Disney Plus website using a web browser or download the Disney Plus app from the App Store or Google Play if you prefer to sign up on a mobile device or streaming device. 2. Click on Sign Up Now. On the homepage, locate and select the Sign Up Now button to begin the registration process. If you are eligible for any promotional offers, they may be displayed on this page. 3. Create a Disney Plus account. You will need to provide an active email address and create a secure password. This email will be used for account verification, login access, and subscription management. Choose a subscription plan. Disney Plus offers different subscription options. Disney Plus with ads lower cost option with ad interruptions. Disney Plus no ads. Premium option with uninterrupted streaming. Disney Bundle, a combination of Disney Plus, Hulu, and ESPN Plus at a discounted rate. Select the plan that fits your needs and proceed to the next step. Enter payment information. Disney Plus accepts various payment methods including credit cards, debit cards, PayPal, and digital wallet services. If you are eligible for a free trial or a promotional discount, the details will be displayed before you confirm the payment. 6. Confirm your subscription. Review the subscription details, including the billing cycle and total cost. Once you confirm, your Disney Plus subscription will be activated. 7th. Start streaming Disney Plus content. After completing the sign-up process, you can immediately start watching Disney Plus content. Simply log in to the Disney Plus app or website and browse through the available shows and movies. You can also download content for offline viewing on supported devices. If you do not want to continue after the initial billing period or promotional offer, remember to cancel your subscription before the renewal date to avoid automatic charges. By following these steps, you can enjoy unlimited access to a vast collection of Disney Plus entertainment, including original series, animated classics, and blockbuster movies.